Well, he may be the most controversial of President Trump's cabinet secretaries, and today he was in the mid-state. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. kicked off the Eat Real Food tour at the state capitol. Better nutrition is universally accepted policy. The rest of RFK's agenda, less so.
The United States leads the developed world in obesity, diabetes, fatty liver cancer.
And many others. Secretary Kennedy says there is much ailing the nation.
When I was a boy, America had the healthiest children in the world. Today, we have the sickest.
Change is needed, he argues, on several fronts. Diet and nutrition guidelines have been steered by big food, which made big profits.
Is what drove Fruit Loops to the top of the food pyramid. And they told us for the last 40 years to eat as much as we could of refined carbohydrates, of ultra-processed foods, to stuff ourselves with sugar and salt. They poisoned an American generation, and we're now feeling the effects.
Kennedy also promised to eliminate dyes from food, blasted Big Pharma for overcharging Americans for prescriptions, and wants more transparency in the cost of health care. Nothing controversial there.
This is what is keeping our friends and family alive. It is the research.
But RFK Jr., like his boss Donald Trump, evokes a visceral response.
It makes me angry.
An anti-RFK rally on the front steps of the Capitol, including this retired pathologist who worked on cancer vaccines.
And I am watching RFK systematically destroy that pipeline, destroy the trust in physicians, and jeopardize patients' lives. This is a 911 for medicine.
I'm glad that we want to make America healthy again, but let's do it in a way that's actually grounded in evidence and reality.
State Rep Arvind Venkat is also an ER doc who calls RFK dangerous for changing guidelines of scientifically proven vaccines.
Right now, we have outbreaks of measles and whooping cough across the country. I'm an emergency physician. I should not be seeing patients with these diseases.
Kennedy's not a physician at all or a scientist, but insists he's got the prescription American medicine desperately needs.
We can't subsidize sickness forever, and we can't accept a future where chronic disease is the status quo.
And after that rally at the Capitol, Kenny came to our studio for a one-on-one interview for This Week in Pennsylvania. I asked, what's it like to be such a polarizing figure with so many people calling him dangerous or worse?
What other people think of me is not my business. I'm playing for an audience, really an audience of three, which is God, my wife, and President Trump. And So
you put your wife ahead of him, just for the record.
Yeah, I do. What I try to do is do the next right thing, to do things that I believe are right. And if people respond badly to that, then I can still feel at peace with myself.
From nuclear power to vaccines, we covered a lot of ground. You can see the full interview on This Week in Pennsylvania. It's Sunday morning at 10 right here on ABC 27.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27, and we're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.